This one is a discrete signal. N is always integer. Integer means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, no fraction. Capital N is also an integer. Capital N is also an integer. And if you look at the options, this 3.14, this is also fraction. This one is also fraction. So correct answer is non-periodic. Capital N cannot be fraction. So correct answer for this question is non-periodic. Then suppose एक x of t सिग्नल है, उसकी एनर्जी है E. It has energy capital E. Then what will be energy of x of 4t? What will be energy of x of 4t? Options same E. Second option 4E. Third option E by 4. Last option E by 16. So yes, this is a compressed signal. compressed सिग्नल अगर compress हो जाएगा मतलब थोड़ा छोटा हो जाएगा सिग्नल, तो उसकी एनर्जी भी थोड़ी कम हो जाएगी. Its energy will also be reduced, and that reduced by this compression factor. X of 40 is a compression operation, so its energy will also get reduced by the factor 4. So correct answer for this question is E by 4. और ये कौन सा ऑपरेशन है? X of t by 4. What is the name for this operation? Expansion. So this is nothing but expansion. फिर आप लोगों को ये चीजें पता रहना चाहिए. U of t का even part. What is even part of U of t? What is odd part of unit step signal? Even part. First tell me what is even part of unit step signal? 0.5. 1 by 2 is the even part. You can use the formula. Even part formula for the unit step signal will be U of t plus U of minus t upon 2. If you solve this, if you try to sketch this, you will get 0.5. And what is the odd part? What is the odd part of unit step signal? So for odd part, you should use U of t minus U of minus t upon 2. This formula. So odd part will be 1 by 2 times signum of t. Our standard signal signum. I hope you recall the shape. The shape of this signal is like this. This is the signum signal -1, 1, 0, t. This is the standard signal signum function. It will go till infinity. It will go till minus infinity. ये सिग्नम सिग्नल इवन है, ऑड है, बोथ, नाइदर, ए बी सी डी. The signum t is even, odd, both, neither. Just tell me ABCD, I can understand. So this is the odd signal because symmetry is in first and third quadrant, second and fourth quadrant. जैसा सिग्नल आपका फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में है, ये क्वाड्रेंट्स रहते हैं, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ. First and third quadrant same, that means odd. Second and fourth quadrant same, that means odd. Then rectangular signal. Rectangular signal. Even, odd, both, neither. Very good. Rectangular signal is even signal because its shape is like this. This is the shape of rectangular signal, minus t by 2 plus t by 2. If you fold this, it becomes same signal, so it is a even signal. Then in most of the times you found this difficult, that energy of u of t minus 5 और यहाँ पे लेटेस्ट से 2 लिखा है. What is the energy? I will write the options 10, 20, 5, 100. A, B, C, D. You just tell me A, B, C, D. Take your time, no issue. I will wait for other students also. It's not like that if some students are getting answer, I should move forward. जिनका आंसर आ गया उनको थोड़ा पेशेंस रखना है, because I am supposed to give time to the other students also. हमारे पास अभी 50 स्टूडेंट्स है, still very few are giving answer. So by this time you must know that this is a unit step signal. It is getting subtracted with u of t minus 5. This is u of t minus 5. So resultant is, after subtraction, resultant is 0, 5. This is u of t minus 5. और एम्पलीट्यूड 2 है यहाँ पे, एनर्जी का फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. इंटीग्रेशन, सिग्नल इज प्रेजेंट फ्रॉम 0 to 5, so 0 to 5. x of t square, x of t का वैल्यू 2 है, so 2 square 4 dt. फॉर्मूला ऑफ एनर्जी इज इंटीग्रेशन माइनस इंफिनिटी टू इंफिनिटी x of t square, so 2 square 4, so 4 dt integration is t, limits 0 to 5, upper minus lower, 4 into 5, 20 is the answer. 20 joule is the answer. So you must know that what is the shape of u of t minus 1 minus u of t minus 4. So it is like this, 1 to 4. This one is 1 to 4. Amplitude 1. तो जितना जल्दी आप लोग ये सब कर पाएंगे तो क्वेश्चंस जल्दी से सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. And you should, those who feel that they have done the preparation, they can do this such type of practice. They should go through their test solutions जो हमने टेस्ट कंडक्ट किए थे. उनके क्वेश्चंस रिवाइज करो. व्हाट इज पावर ऑफ 3 plus 3 cos 10 pi t plus 3 sin 10 pi t? What is the power? I will give time. 90 seconds will be the time limit. ठीक है, कुछ लोग 18 बोल रहे हैं. So it is of the form a plus b cos plus c sin, and for such signal power is a square plus 1 by 2 times b square plus c square. A is 3, 3 square 9 plus 1 by 2, 3 square plus 3 square. B is also 3, C is also 3. So we are interested in the amplitudes. 3, 3, 3. So its answer is 9 plus 18 by 2. That means 9, 9 plus 9, 18 by 2. Then if no arrow is written in the question, if this is one sequence, 3, 1, 2, 4, if no arrow is written, that means first sample is n equal to 0. By default, first sample is n equal to 0. So let us say this is one sequence x of n, another sequence y of n equal to 5, 2, 3, 1, 7, 4, 6, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. हाँ. So input, by default your input will be x of n, by default your output will be y of n, and by default impulse response will be h of n. X of t will be input, y of t will be output, h of t will be impulse response. Even if it is not mentioned in the question, you should know that these are input and impulse response. If no arrow is present, that means first sample is the n equal to 0. तो आपको मुझे बताना है इनपुट गिवन है, आउटपुट गिवन है, नंबर ऑफ सैंपल इन h of n, number of samples in h of n. How many samples will be there in h of n? How many samples will be there in impulse response? Okay, 5. इतने लोग कैसे गलत हो सकते हैं, या फिर मैं गलत हूं? फिर से देखो, फिर से सोचो, 5 आंसर है क्या? Yes, please check the answer. Those who are given. Either I may be wrong or you people may be wrong. कितने सैंपल्स है एक्स ऑफ एन में? 4. तो ए हो गया 4. कितने सैंपल्स है एच ऑफ वाई ऑफ एन में? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ओके, 8 है. अरे बाप रे, 11 आंसर कैसे आ रहा? वाई ऑफ एन में 8 सैंपल्स है. तो हमारा रहता नंबर ऑफ सैंपल्स इन आउटपुट, दैट मीन्स नंबर ऑफ सैंपल्स इन y of n इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ सैंपल्स इन x of n प्लस नंबर ऑफ सैंपल्स इन h of n minus 1. Number of samples in h of n minus 1. So here it is 8 equal to 4. Number of samples in x of n is 4 plus some unknown, that is nothing but b minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 उधर जाएगा तो b is the 5. Okay, b is 5 is the answer. b 5 is the answer. Actually मुझे लगा y of n में 7 सैंपल है. There are 8 samples. Okay, so 5 is the correct answer. X of n equal to 3n plus 1 for 0 less than equal to n less than equal to 2. H of n equal to 1 1. What is value of y of 2? $90 ये ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को ऑप्शन से सॉल्व नहीं होते. तो आपको अभी तक ये आइडिया आना चाहिए कि कौन से क्वेश्चंस में ऑप्शंस इंपॉर्टेंट है, कौन से क्वेश्चंस में ऑप्शंस इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. Okay, 11 is the value of y of 2. So first of all, you should be in a position to write x of n. You must be able to write x of n. So your x of n is n equal to 0. So 3 into 0 plus 1, that means 1. N equal to 1. So 3 into 1 plus 1, that means 4. N equal to 2. 6. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, that means 7. And it will be 0 otherwise. So this is your x of n. x of n तुमचा 0 पासून 2 पर्यंत प्रेझेंट आहे आणि तो डिफाइंड आहे 3n plus 1. n ची व्हॅल्यू 0 टाका, x of 0 भेटेल, n ची व्हॅल्यू 1 टाका, x of 1 भेटेल, n ची व्हॅल्यू 2 टाका, x of 2 भेटेल. So you have x of n, you have h of n. Just use tabulation method. Both have lower limit 0 0. So first sample will be y of 0. So 1 1 4 4 7 7. Now split diagonally. So this is y of 0 because both have lower limit 0 0. So first lower limit of y will be 0 only. So y of 0 is 1. Y of 1 is 4 plus 1 5. Y of 2 is 7 plus 4 11. Y of 3 is 7. अब पूछे y of 2 है तो आंसर इज 11. एकदा x of n आला लवकरात लवकर लोअर लिमिट फाइंड आउट करायची आणि पहिला व्हॅल्यू कोणती असेल ते लक्षात यायला पाहिजे. x of n equal to u of n minus u of n minus 5. h of n equal to 2 2. What is y of 3? $90. तो u(n)-u(n)-5 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, then use tabulation. 1 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 2 2 multiplication 2 2 2 2 split. So y of 0, y of 1, y of 2, y of 3 and this is y of 4. y of 3 पूछे थे. तो y of क्या पूछे थे? y of 3. y of 3 आंसर इज 4 ना. y of 0, y of 1, y of 2, y of 3, y of 4. y of 4, y of 3 answer is 10. y of 3 answer is 10. How you have given the answer 10? How you have given the answer 10? 4 is the answer ना. पहले 10 कैसे क्या आ गया आंसर लोगों के? 11 कैसे क्या आ गया? 10 10 बाद में 4 4 4 आना शुरू हुआ. तो आंसर इज 4. आंसर इज 4, नॉट 10. Okay, then you know that any system is there. Suppose the system is differentiator system. The system is a differentiator system. So input will be x of t, output will be y of t, and it is a differentiator system. It is a differentiator system. So output will be d by dt x of t. Output will be d by dt x of t because it is a differentiator system. Similarly, the system can be integrator system. Similarly, the system can be delay system. ऐसे systems हो सकते हैं आपके पास. It is just providing the delay to the input. At the output, we will get the delay of the input, and that delay will be mentioned. Delay means x of n minus alpha. X of n minus alpha is called as delay operation. X of n plus alpha is called as advance operation. This is a delay. This is advance. Somewhere I have mentioned, but I have not given more stress on this. So this is called as the delay system. So now you tell me what is transfer function of delay system. You 2-unit delay system. What is transfer function of 2-unit delay system? I am waiting for your answer. What is transfer function of 2-unit delay system? Transfer function विचारतो. Transfer function of 2-unit delay system. Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay. So Sakshi has given answer x of t minus 2. ठीक है, थोड़ा सही जा रहे हैं आप. और मेरा क्वेश्चन है, और बाप रे, एक्स ऑफ टी माइनस 2 अपॉन एक्स ऑफ टी. मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है ट्रांसफर फंक्शन. ट्रांसफर फंक्शन. माय क्वेश्चन इज ट्रांसफर फंक्शन ऑफ 2 यूनिट डिले सिस्टम. ओके, आप लोगों को थोड़ी ऑप्शन की आदत पड़ी हुई है. आई विल जस्ट राइट द ऑप्शंस. एस, 2s, ई रेस टू मायनस 2s, ई रेस टू 2s. ट्रांसफर फंक्शन म्हणजे लॅपलास ट्रान्सफॉर्म. ट्रांसफर फंक्शन मतलब लॅपलास ट्रान्सफॉर्म. ए बी सी डी 4 ऑप्शंस. So now you people are on right track. So 2 e raised to minus 2s, majority of you are giving answer e raised to minus 2s. तो देखो जरा ये लोग e raised to minus 2s आंसर कैसे देख रहे हैं बाकी लोग. तो हमारे पास जो सिस्टम थी वो थी 2 यूनिट डिले सिस्टम. x of t will be the input, y of t will be the output. So as it is a 2 unit delay system, so y of t will be x of t minus 2. So y of t equal to x of t minus 2. So you need to take the Laplace transform. So y of s equal to e raised to minus 2s into x of s. Bring this x of s here, and we know that transfer function is h of s equal to y of s upon x of s. So answer is e raised to minus 2s. हाँ, शिफ्टिंग प्रॉपर्टी ने लैपलास निकाला. x of t minus 2 का लैपलास. Recall the time shifting property. Shift in one domain results into exponential multiplication in another domain. What is transfer function of integrator? Same options. Same as the previous options. These sorry, not same options. I will add few more options. 1 by s, 1 by 2s. These 6 options A, B, C, D, E, F. Transfer function of integrator. One by s. Yes, 1 by s is the answer. Then you must have a very good idea of 1 by s is the answer, because given is a transfer function system, that means y of t equal to integration x of t dt. Limits can be anything. So we know that y of s equal to 1 by s x of s. Those who don't know, just go through the properties of Laplace transform. So y of s upon x of s is 1 by s.